Hello everyone, here's a boy Chiranjeev and today we are going to see how to find your Windows product key using command prompt and Windows PowerShell. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's open command prompt and just a second, let me increase the font for you to see clearly. Let me set it to 26, I guess. Yes, it will be good enough. Now we can write this code. I will give you this code in the description and comment also, and after entering it you will find your product key very easily. I think it's the most easiest step to find it, and after let me press the enter key. So now as you can see here we have got our Windows product key. I have hidden it. You can also find using this method. And now let's go to the second method using Windows PowerShell. So now I have opened Windows PowerShell, and here I can copy paste that code only and it will show you your Windows product key. If you have find this video useful, if you find it, then please consider to subscribe my channel and like this so that I will make more content like this for you. Thanks for watching.